David Turich, Joel Peters. Our conductors are Brendan Mulcrone and Dave Torres. They're assisted by an Amtrak onboard service crew, all based out of Chicago. We'd like to thank you, our passengers, for helping us maintain National Train Day 2013 as a smoke-free environment. No smoking is permitted aboard the Excursion train, on the platform, or in the Chicago Union Station. Your safety is important to us. Please observe the emergency exit and instruction signs located throughout our train. We also ask that you take a moment to review the safety instruction cards and seat back in front of you. When moving about the train, hold on to the overhead luggage racks and seat backs for stability. When passing through the areas between cars, please use the handrails, and when moving about the train, shoes must be worn at all times. Today we'll be traveling through Amtrak's Chicago Terminal, including Union Station and the 14th Street Coach Yard. You'll be able to see the locations where Amtrak services and maintains the fleet for both long-distance service and state-supported trains in the Midwest. Chicago is Amtrak's home in the Midwest, and the operation here is among the largest in the entire Amtrak system. We hope you enjoy your ride. As we leave Union Station, we'll be traveling southbound with the Amtrak maintenance facility on the east side of the train. This rail corridor, which is up to 8 track lengths wide in some locations, is a primary route for Amtrak trains destined for destinations east, south, and west of Chicago. This corridor is also the primary route for Metro commuter trains that operate over Amtrak's main line to reach Union Station.
This is the Amtrak yard. This is where they keep all the trains. Wow. This is the yard. This is where they maintain all the trains. This is where we work and we set up the train. Like we set up all the beds and everything else. Make sure everything is in the car. And once it's where we actually stay, set it up and everything else, and then we just go into the station and we're going. And then once comes in, everything must turn off, comes to the yard, and it's waiting for the next person to come and take it back out again.
One part of the servicing process on the inbound long-haul trains involves turning the train after arrival. This is what's called a Y move on the railroad. To Y our train, we'll use a portion of the BNSF main line as well as Amtrak tracks to turn the train around.